In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Manage Wix.com. We're going to walk through adding a custom domain to your Wix site, selecting a recommended option, and pairing it with a premium plan so your site can go live on a professional address. Start on your Wix dashboard and open the Add Domain area. If you're not already there, click Settings in the left sidebar. In the Settings page, look for the section that says Connect, Manage, and Edit your website's address, and open it. This is where Wix centralizes everything related to your domain. You'll see a search or input field. Type your desired domain or a keyword that represents your brand. Keep it simple, easy to spell, and memorable. If your first choice is taken, try slight variations, different endings, or add a short keyword. When you're ready to check availability, click Let's Go to continue. Wix will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. Follow the highlighted buttons to proceed. If you're presented with options, choose the one that matches your goal to purchase a new domain for this site. Continue clicking through the highlighted prompts until you're asked to refine or confirm your search. If prompted again, type your domain or keyword one more time and click Let's Go to run the updated check. Next, you'll reach the recommendations page. Here, Wix shows Get one of these great domains recommended for you. Review the suggestions. If you see one that fits, select it to view details, then click Get It to add it to your cart. If you prefer another extension, scroll and compare prices and availability before choosing. To connect your new domain to your site and unlock all features, select the Domain Plus Premium Plan bundle. In this walkthrough, that's shown as partyshop.info plus Premium Plan. Click it to see the plan options, then confirm the same bundle again to proceed. Bundling ensures your domain connects automatically. SSL is handled for you, and you get the features your site needs, like removing Wix ads and enabling payments. Before you check out, double-check the site you're connecting, your contact details for domain registration, and the term length. Domain privacy is typically included, which helps keep your registration info private. After purchase, Wix will handle the connection behind the scenes. Domain propagation can take up to 48 hours, though it's often much faster. Publish your site if you haven't already, and then visit your new domain to confirm it's live. That's it. You searched for a domain, selected a recommended option,